First, the fat, lazy big cow has to eat the long, juicy grass to chew slowly to get the juice to turn into milk. Then the farmer shoves the fat cow into the milking shed. The farmer cleans the dirty udder with warm, hot water. After that, the white milk is stored in a cooling tank. After the milk is fully cooled, the milk gets separated from the cream. Then the milk is pasteurized. Finally, the milk is put into the bottle and gets taken to big shops. The customer then buys the bottle of milk and drinks it. That's how low-fat milk gets to your home.